Hello guys, welcome back to Spot Area channel. Now I will give you tutorial how to add Instagram link on Reddit for Android. And before that, I wanna ask you, how are you guys? So don't miss of our videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And then let's go to the started. Click on the Reddit, and after that you can go to the left bottom of the upper in the left corner. Click on. And now let's start it for the my profile. Click on the my profile. For the next step, if you want to add the Instagram link for the Reddit, you can go to add social link here. Add social link, click on, and choose about the Instagram. Okay, let's type about your username for the Instagram. And if you're done type about your username, you can go to the check up symbol in the upper of the right corner. And now your link of Instagram is add for the profile in the Reddit. Okay, after that you can click save in the upper of the right corner. You can see there is a Instagram link for you and add it for your profile. It's a very simple way to do it. Okay, this is a tutorial how to add Instagram link on Reddit for Android. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for the attention and bye.